There's nothing on the roof.
Nothing in this building in general.
Bounty on bounty! Oh, no, maybe not. There's a guy flying in over here. Up here. On the compound. Yeah.
Oh, God damn it.
I think bounty are coming back to the buy. Yep. What?
He's behind us. He's going up.
Why has my sensitivity gone high all of a sudden?
He's
Oh,
there,
I'm being
he's
sniped
low.
at. I'm being sniped
Yes,
at.
nice.
I'm being sniped at.
Don't
Oh,
shoot me. No, don't shoot me. But...
I'm trying to fight.
oh, why is he sniping? Oh, you little bitch. Come fight me like a man. Come on, come
Like a
fight me
kid,
like a
like
man.
that. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've had footsteps on my left somewhere. Just be
Coming.
careful. Oh shit, there's one down low.
Broke him.
Baiting up, I'm
Down
baiting up.
him.
Suppression mine. He's pushing down. Stunned him. Yeah, fuck you and your shotgun, mate. Bomb drone, bomb drone.
Oh,
Yeah.
Where from?
come. It was from far away, man.
Ok, ils sont tous à côté.
Bon, regarde.
Up the ladder, he's going up the ladder.
Je suis sur toi. Oh no, 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 there's a whole fucking team over the other side that they're fighting. Yeah, oh, I wouldn't even.
Yeah, one's on the roof. This building right here.
Ah ouais, d'accord.
Broke. Downed him.
Ah, il m'a niqué.
Ok.
Merci.
Climbing up the ladder.
Oh, he's back up again.
Toi, premier étage.
There's like two snipers on that roof.
Ah, attends, ouais.
Oh, super.
And one.
L'autre il craque.
Ouais, j'essaie de remonter.
I'm going for the revive on Jordan.
Ah,
Non mais c'est bon, j'ai ma montée de réa.
putain, j'arrive.
Thank him there.
Merde.
Downed another one.
Là, il y a du monde un peu tout part.
One down there.
Ah, putain.
One dropped.
Yeah, I didn't see him. I got the other guy. He ran far. He's over there. Blue barrel building.
Oh merde.
Nice,
putain.
dead.
Ouais, il m'a-
Nice.
Good boys.
I'm gonna grab this big game bounty. Oh, they would be over that side of the map, wouldn't they? Oh my god, they're far out.
Anyone need plumber? Plumber?
Plumber? Plumbers?
Anyone need plumber?
Plumber? I need plumber. What's a plumber?
Armor.
Oh.
It's got armor. You
I
never
have-
die with it, mate.
I've got 8.
I reckon someone's. Oh, I. Fucking...
Yeah, right here. Cracked him. He's gonna be
He's got
hiding.
away with that.
Yeah, he's gonna be hiding behind that rock. Yeah, I see him. He's right close, very close. I've downed one, but one sniped me.
Yeah, you're gonna get him because he's run.
Thank you.
Right behind the stairs there, and one's on top of the fire station. No, he's not. He's around the back now. Blatantly going back for the buy, isn't he?
Yep. Yep. Broken glass.
That's me. Oh! Oh!
What?
Didn't no one clear this building?
No, we went around it.
Oh!
Jordan got him. Nice. Oh shit!
Reloaded.
He's one tap outside. Downed him.
Oh, fuck this game, I'm so bad at
This game, I'm so bad at it. I mean, we're all bad at the game, mate. There's a guy coming out from the zone.
Is there now?
Yeah. He's cracked. Nice.
Oh, I had you covered, Lance. He was gonna execute you as well.
He's nowhere near
See
me.
him in. Huh?
He was nowhere near me.
Who did he down then?
He downed me, but he wasn't near me to execute me.
No, mate, he was about to shoot you. He ran
Oh,
right
no,
up in
you
front
could.
of you.
I thought you meant assassinate me.
No,
like,
no,
take me
no,
out.
no. Not assassinate, just execute.
Finish it.
Someone's on that, maybe? Ooh, someone else is out in the open down here.
Oh.
Unlucky.
We've got more people on the bridge.
On the bridge?
Oh, yeah, yeah, right down below, under the bridge.
Oh, under.
Just come. I'm not there.
Observatory.
Yeah, we're here.
He's behind this white van.
Yeah, but I just got no cover here.
Back off! No way!
Go to the buy station. Go back to the buy station real quick. Get, oh. No, they're just not flying it right now. Go on, hit it, please. Oh, they dodged it, you bastards! Down one. Nice.
30 safe.
Yeah. I downed the guy in the back of it, Lums.
Oh, smoke on the buy.
Sniper far. Sniper far. Oh, no. Right over there somewhere.
Yeah, we're getting sniped out from the. I'm gonna buy a mini armor box.
I'm by UAV.
I need a munitions.
There's ammo. What do you need mostly? I can give you some.
AR.
There you go. Behind us. Cracked him.
Up in UAV. Watch out for this team behind us as well, Ash. He's on ground. Oh, he's running far. Be careful, Ash.
I'm trying to keep the team out of the gas right there. Two of them come in. I just need. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm not gonna get help. I see.
Well, I mean, you first started focusing on this team, so we up for this one. In that door. Don't snipe me, you little peasant.
I need the.
Oh,
fucking
sniper
ammo
behind
right
us. Found one. There's sniper to the left as well.
now. Come down.
Anyone got spare plates?
I got.
We're
There.
being sniped on the left. Run, run, run!
Oh, me. Cover. I got him.
I will do my best.
That muni box.
Yeah.
Need armor right now.
Sky blast on this side. It's low down.
We should, don't, because I'm trying to not get us killed here. Right there.
Laissez la piste, quoi.
They're up top.
Bien joué, gros.
I nearly had him.
Oh shit me!
Oh no, 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 no. Lumps, lumps, lumps. Oh.
Sorry mate.
Above that guy as well.
Yeah, I'm
just
dead
keep
here.
it, yeah.
I'm dead here. So I'm getting out of this.
Door, just to the right you could have.
Derrière moi.
Too late.
Ah, putain. C'est bon. Allez, on se casse.
The three of them are bound to be in that helicopter, right?
Yep.
Oh, derrière moi.
You hear the music? Wah! Hooah! Oh nah, man. Throw a stun in there, mate.
Oh shit! I think it. Why did it blow up?
No way, that is. Oh, did you stun the drivers that kicked him out of it, maybe?
I don't know, but I didn't think from that close to the ground it would have blown up.